Good morning. Get up, get up, get up. We need to go to our holiday. Are we all ready to go on the holiday?
Yes.
Hello everyone and welcome to yet another of my vlogs. This time it's Easter weekend trip. I'm here at a place called Roseneath Caravan Park. This is about 3.5 hours drive from my home in Melbourne. So not too far, not too close, but it's a good place. We have just reached here. I still have to explore it. My son Ryan already was very excited seeing the swimming pool, so he has already jumped into the pool. I'll need to go and join him soon. But quick update, so we started from Melbourne in the morning. We obviously, because of the Easter weekend, we got a lot of traffic on the road and we took a few stops in between. So we have just arrived here. It's almost 5 in the evening now, so we still have 3 days over here, so not in a rush or anything. But yeah, I'll just start exploring the place, and in fact I have to meet my whole group yet. We are here in a big group, about 12 or 14 adults we have, and I personally know only 4 of them, so that's gonna be a bit interesting as well to know and meet a few new friends. So let's get on going with it. Let's not waste much time and start exploring the place and meeting new people. Good morning. So it's day 2. Day 1 went fine, so we had only a few hours after we reached there in the evening. We actually were able to see a very stunning sunset by the lake. Then we spent some time by the fire having dinner and getting to know everyone. As I have said, there were a few people I'm meeting for the first time, so that was a good time. So, but day 2, early morning, it's a very nice feeling to just get up to birds chirping and having a cup of tea. Long day ahead, have a few things planned. Probably will be going to the beach. Let's just get on with the day and enjoy. Just jogging along the lake, a bit out of breath because obviously not used to running on the sand, so not easy. But it just feels good to be at just a scenic, lovely, calm place and do the run. Okay, now got my breath back. Let's go for another run.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Camping in the Woods. Don't forget to meet our guest of honor, Mr. Akash Somani. He is the Master Chef, Hot Chef of the Nation, Mr. Kapil. And the fake personality of the year, Kapil Vatsa.
And here are the kids.
Bella.
Hello kids. Okay, continue to enjoy our camping.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Talk to Somani.
Kash Creative Space.
Very good.
Ryan, where are we going?
To the beach.
To the beach. Okay, so now we are headed to Lakes Entrance, which is a very popular tourist destination. It's another hour drive from here, so just gonna enjoy the beach. Let's see what's on the road. So this is the road that comes into this Roseneath Caravan Park. This is quite an isolated place, but still has all the things you would need from a camping site. Is that Ryan?
A bat.
A bat?
That's
And-
in the night.
And what other creatures did you see? Monkey, flamingo. What else?
Swans.
Swans also? Where was swan?
Yeah, it was next to the wall. So good. Bats, mommy, bats, bats, bats.
Okay, Kapil will tell us where are we going.
We are going to that bridge, and then we have to walk and walk and walk and walk till eternity.
So we are crossing this bridge to get to the beach. So let's keep walking. A bit of a walk, but I hope it's worth it at the end. Hey, hello again. So this is day 3rd of our trip. Now last night after returning from Lakes Entrance, obviously we were very tired because we almost spent the whole day there, and then we were in the beach in the water for almost like a couple of hours. So obviously the whole group was tired. We came back, tried to get some quick dinner on the barbecue and finish it off in the night. So this morning has been a lazy start for everyone, but now we are up. And what we are trying to do today is just explore and do whatever we can here in the park. There are a lot of options, so let's get on with it. Tell uncle, where did you find the egg?
It was down outside in the mud.
Yeah,
In the
and
mud?
do you know why there was an egg? What is it today? Do you know?
Easter Day.
Yes, very good.
Easter egg today.
Easter egg today, very nice.
How about we go to the...
So just in the park, found this car wrecked and just lying there. I find it very interesting. I think I should take at least some shots of this car. शादाब बहुत खा रहे हैं. Kids running around, some eating, some more barbecue outside with Midul Kapoor, and chicken is ready for us to eat. Oh, nice chicken. Good morning. So this is the last day of our trip. I thought definitely I should again wake up early and come for a walk this lakeside, because obviously going back to the usual life, you don't get these opportunities too often, and especially with the COVID situation all last year, the opportunities to go out has been minimal. Overall, this vacation and this trip has been very good. This place actually for camping purposes is very good. The location is beautiful. Obviously this lake is like in your backyard, so that way the location is good. The park has everything that you would expect from a camping site. Not a luxurious place, but obviously you don't expect that from a camping site, but it has all the amenities, everything that you need. Enjoyed a lot with the extended group as well. The kids had fun because they had friends to play with, and today we are heading back to Melbourne. So we'll enjoy another 10-15 minutes of the walk, then go back and start packing and head back. If you all are watching till here, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. This will be the end of the vlog. Hope you got something out of it. Keep watching my channel. Hit like and subscribe if you want to watch more videos. Encourage me to make more videos, and I'll keep coming back with more. And until next time, Goodbye. See you. Do hit like and subscribe.